Squeeze. Yep. Yes, sir. Two more. No, two more. Let's. What is up, BeFitNow fam? This is Coach Amp with over 20 years of personal training experience. Okay, guys, now today we are going to show you how to get a thick, full chest with an emphasis on the pec shelf. We not only want to tell you what we're doing, but we also want to give you the why. Okay, so starting off with the Incline Barbell. That is our power movement, all right? And we're training this particular movement in low numbers, 8 to 10. We want those big muscles to fire off across the top of the chest, all right? Next, from there, we're going to the Pec Deck, all right? With the Pec Deck, we get to take the triceps out of the movement and still demolish that chest, especially the inner portion of the pecs, all right? Then from there, we go to the push-up, and we're going high reps with these. It's body weight, so we're going 30 reps, just pumping them out, pumping them out. And then we're going to the Incline Dumbell Fly to truly get that stretch, because this is a pec shelf focus. And then from there, we're gonna go round and round and round and do it all over again. Now, guys, not only is knowing what to do is important, but also intensity, how hard you work, making sure that you pay attention to your rest times. Active resting is very important, posing, light stretching. We're gonna get these results, and if you do these workouts, you're gonna get them too. Let's go. All right, guys, time to get this thing going. Incline barbell, let's go. 8 to 10 repetitions, let's rock. 1, 2, 3, 4, yes, 5, 6, 7, come on, 8, yep, 9er, and 10, yep. Cherry places with me, Pec Deck, 15 reps, my man. Let's do it. 1, yes. 2, chest out, chest out. 3, squeeze. 4, 5, yeah. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, don't rush that contraction. 12, there you go. 13, 14, yes. And 15, yep. Come on out here, baby. Push up, push up, push up. Let's get it. The number is 30. Let's ride. Pump them out. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 30. Yep. On your feet, baby. Incline Dumbell Fly. Yep. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Come out. Get that stretch. Bring it in. Contract. That's it. Come on. 3. Yes. 4. We're going to 12. 5. Yep. Come on. 6. 7. Yep. 8. Yep. 9. Yep. 10. Come on. 11. Give it to me. And 12. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Set 2. Let's go. Let's ride. Let's ride. 1. Yep. 2. Yep. 3. Yep. Come on. 4. Yep. 5. Yep. Up. 6. Come on. 7. 8. That's it. 9. Again. And 10. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Come on in. Come on in. Pec Deck, baby. Let's get it. Let's get it. So, guys, check this out. Listen. You trying to build a pec shelf so you can sit a big water jug on? Listen. you need to get you a Kahuna. All right, as you can see, we have the Pec Deck. We're going from Pec Deck to another version of flies using our bench here, our heavy duty bench, dumbbell flies, and we're doing incline barbell press. You could substitute the incline barbell press for the Smith machine press. All right, it's so much that you can do. But the Kahuna, man, is tough, it's rugged, and it will last you forever. And then on top of that, you get a lifetime warranty. So if you want to get results and have a piece of equipment in your home that you can have forever, hey, listen, the Kahuna is where it's at. Get you one. Let's go, baby. Yes, sir. I love it. Let's get it. Yes, sir. Intensity rules, baby. Don't think about the next exercise or the one previous. Pump them out. Only thing that matters is what you got going right now. That's it. A little bit higher, a little bit higher. That's it. Breathe. Control your breathing. In your nose, out your mouth. In your nose, out your mouth. Pump them out, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Uh-huh. Stop right there. Let's go. Incline Dumbell Fly. Let's get it. Uh-huh. Slow it down a little bit. Totally different movement. Squeeze. Pay attention to where you feel the tension and the stress. Squeeze. If you lose tension on the way up at any point, there you go. Adjust. That's it. That's it. Good stretch. Good stretch. Come on. Come on with it. 6 more, please. Give me 6 more. Come on. 5 more. 4 more. Come on, come on. 3 more. Come on. Drive it. 2 more. Good stretch, good stretch. Chest up, chest up, chest up. 1 more. Let's go. Stretch. Focus on the contraction. Chest up, chest up. Excellent, excellent. Yes, sir. Set 3, baby. Let's get it. Let's get it. Come on. Drive it. 1. Come on. 2. Yes, sir. 3. I love it. Come on. 4. Make it hurt, baby. Let's go. 5. Come on. 6. Yep. Come on. 7. Keep it moving. 8. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 2 more. No. 2 more. Let's go. Drive it. Up. 1 more. 1 more. I got you. Up. Yep. Good set. Good set. Good set. Let's switch it up, baby. Pec Deck. 15 reps. Let's go. Guys, listen. What I want you to do, if you have a body part that you're having trouble getting to respond, listen, shoot us a comment, let us know what you want to see us train, and we'll get on it. Most importantly, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so anytime we put anything out, you will get it. And I know you like it, so go ahead and smash that like button for me too, all right? Let's finish. Let's finish. Chest out, baby. Let's go. Squeeze. Let's go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's it. That's it. That's it. Yep, yep. Remember, guys, in the games garage, failure is winning, all right? We push it, we go, and when you can't go anymore, we're winning. Yes, sir. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. That's it. On to the next thing. Let's ride. Yes, sir. Push up. Give me what you got, baby. That's it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 1. 2. I love it. I love those reps. 3. 4. Yes, sir. Think about the chest, man. Keep it out. 5. Keep the chest out. 6. Come on. 7. Come on. 8. That's it. That's it. Let's go. Let's go. Incline Dumbell Fly, baby. Let's get it. Finish strong. Stay focused, man. Stay focused. Totally different movement. Head up, chest out, stretch, contraction. That's it. Let's go. Come on up. Squeeze. That's it. Come on. 2. That's it. 3. Yeah, come on. Let's go. 4. That's it. Let's eat. Come on. 5. Yep. Come on. Stay focused, man. Drive it. 6. Halfway there. Give me what you got. 7. Come on. 8. I love it. Let's go. Let's go. 9. Come on. Come on. 10. Yep. Come on. 11. One more. Give it to me. Give it to me. And we're done. Squeeze. Yep. Excellent. Yes, sir. I love it. Love it, man. Thank you for watching. We work hard to make the best content we can. Please like and subscribe. Turn the notification bell on for new updates and leave comments with any questions and concerns, or just show your support. Peace.